The Art of Seduction. They told you the world is ruled by money or brute force. They lied. The truth? The world is ruled by those who can make you want something, even when it's bad for you. Robert Greene's The Art of Seduction isn't a love story. It's a manual for psychological warfare. Dressed in silk, it takes us through history's greatest seducers, from Cleopatra to Casanova, from Marilyn Monroe to modern political figures, and shows how they bent the world to their will, not through strength, but through irresistible influence. Greene breaks seduction into 9 archetypes. The siren. She lures with voice, movement, and the promise of escape. Pure sensuality, impossible to ignore. The rake. Obsessively devoted, dangerously charming, making you feel like you're the only person in the universe. The ideal lover. They reflect your deepest fantasies, showing you the person you've always wished to be. The dandy, defying norms, breaking rules, seducing with freedom and self-possession. The natural. They awaken your inner child, making you feel safe, joyful, and alive. The coquette. They give, then take away. The chase becomes irresistible. The charmer. Seduction without sex, making you feel like the most important person in the room. The charismatic, radiating purpose and destiny, they pull others in like gravity. The star, distant yet magnetic, you can't stop imagining them. But knowing the types is only the beginning. Greene maps out the seduction process itself, a step-by-step game plan to win hearts and minds. Step 1, choose your target. Not everyone is seducible. Seek those with hidden desires or unmet needs. Step 2, create intrigue. Be unpredictable. The less they know, the more they imagine. Step 3, hook emotionally. Seduce the version of themselves they dream of becoming. Step 4, build dependency. Become both their joy and their frustration. Step 5, strategic withdrawal. Disappear just long enough for them to crave your presence. Step 6, the kill. Deliver the moment they've been waiting for, the surrender. But Greene warns, this is not harmless play. Seduction is power, and power has a dark side. It can build empires or destroy lives. And if you don't learn the rules, you may already be the target of someone who has. In the end, seduction isn't about beauty. It's about psychology. It's not about love. It's about control. The only question is, in this game, are you the player or the prize?